Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install Towers of Aghasba game on your PC. Guys, first open up your Android browser and just search for the Steam website, then open it, then just click on this login option you are seeing on the right hand top. Here simply sign into your account. If you don't have an account, then just create account on Steam. Just scroll down, you'll see the option to create account on Steam. So once you create the account, then click on the install Steam option you are seeing on the top. Guys, download the Steam and install it onto your PC. Guys, this is also very simple and easy. After that, open up the Steam, then just log into your account, then just click on the top search box and just type here the game name, which is the Towers of Aghasba. And guys, once you type this game will appear on the top. So just open up this Towers of Aghasba game. Guys, once you open up this game here, just scroll down, you'll see the option of add to cart. So just click on this option of add to cart and then just click on this option of view my cart. Then click on this option of continue to payment you are seeing here. And guys, you just need to pay with your PayPal or any other card you have. And once you pay the amount, now game was at your library of Steam. So just go to the library of your Steam and on the left hand side, just find this Towers of Aghasba game. Then just click on there, then just click on the install, and that's how you can download and install this game. If you find this video helpful, so please like it, and bye bye and take care.